Hello guys, welcome back to Proggy. Today I'll be showing you one new extension called JSON Formatter. This is very important for a lot of people who use JSON on a daily basis, mainly developers out there. So let's see how to install this particular extension and use it. So for installing, go to the menu icon and click extension. From there, go to visit Chrome Web Store. Here, just write JSON, that should be enough. And here you can see this particular name, JSON formatter. There are a lot of extensions with the same name, so don't get confused, and see that it has that feature tag as well as the name of the developer, which has been shown here, callumlocke.com. Now click on the add to Chrome button, click on add extension, and that's it. The extension should be installed. Now let us test it. So this particular developer has given some JSONs to test also, so let's use that. Let's click this one, very long, and you can see that now the JSON is coming properly formatted and indented. So if you click here the raw button, it will go to its original JSON format, which is very hard to read, of course. So click on parsed and it will come up in a better way. After installing this extension, you can also open files which are downloaded to your PC, JSON files downloaded to your PC. For showing you here, I have downloaded two files. Just right click on it and click on open. Now Google Chrome might not come by default. If it does not come, click on choose another app, and even if that does not come, then you have to go from browse apps, choose an app on your PC and go to the path wherever Chrome is and then select it. But here I have done that, so that's why Chrome is coming. So click on that and just click, either you can click just once or always. So I am just clicking just once to show you, and now you can see it has opened the particular JSON, but this is not in JSON formatter extension. Why? Because it needs a special permission. You have to go to the extension and click here on manage extension. From here you have to click on this particular icon, allow access to file URLs. Only then it can access the file URLs. So now let us refresh it. So now you can see it is coming properly formatted with the colors and all, and now the extension is actually formatting it, not the Chrome's default pretty bin system. In this, there are useful features like you can close the indents, trees and all as per your requirement. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. This was a small one. Hope it helped you in your journey of development. So please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any questions, ask in the comment. I will see you soon. Bye.